Mazda makes cars that are stylish, fun to drive, and surprisingly reliable. But when it comes to long-term durability and low maintenance costs, some brands consistently outperform it. Imagine owning a car for 200,000 miles or more without surprise repairs or skyrocketing insurance bills. Today, we're counting down 5 car brands that outlast Mazda, saving you money, frustration, and time at the repair shop. Buckle up! Some of these picks might completely change how you think about car ownership. Number 5. Toyota. Toyota is the benchmark for reliability, often outliving Mazda by years. While Mazda cars are enjoyable to drive, certain models like the Mazda 6 or CX-5 occasionally face minor electronic issues or turbo-related quirks over time. Toyota, on the other hand, focuses on durable, proven engineering. Vehicles such as the Corolla, Camry, RAV4, and Highlander routinely surpass 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance. Some owners report their Toyotas running 300,000 miles or more with original engines and transmissions, a feat few Mazdas achieve. Toyota's engineering philosophy is simple but effective: durability over gimmicks. Engines are either naturally aspirated or carefully designed hybrids, minimizing potential failures. Unlike Mazda's sporty turbo models, Toyota's engines avoid overly complex electronics, making repairs easier, cheaper, and less frequent. This approach translates into lower lifetime maintenance costs, less downtime, and more peace of mind. Inside, Toyota prioritizes practicality and durability. Seats remain comfortable, interiors resist wear, and electronics rarely fail. Standard safety features like Toyota Safety Sense not only protect drivers but also help reduce insurance premiums. Owners consistently praise Toyota for predictable costs, wide parts availability, and long-lasting value, making it a top pick for anyone wanting a vehicle that truly outlasts Mazda. Long-term ownership isn't just about the engine. Toyota's brakes, suspension, and drivetrain are built to endure years of daily use. Even in regions with extreme weather, Toyotas perform consistently without major issues. When you combine reliability, low maintenance, safety, and resale value, it's clear why Toyota is one of the few brands that consistently outlast Mazda. Number 4. Honda. Honda is renowned for engines that seem indestructible. While Mazda offers spirited handling and stylish designs, Honda vehicles are engineered to go the distance. Models like the Civic, Accord, CR-V, and Pilot have earned reputations for exceeding 200,000 miles with minimal repairs, consistently outperforming Mazdas in long-term reliability surveys. A key strength of Honda is engineering simplicity paired with clever technology. Take the CR-V Hybrid, for example. It delivers fuel efficiency, smooth performance, and proven reliability, logging millions of miles worldwide. Honda avoids overly complex electronics or experimental turbo systems that sometimes plague Mazdas, meaning owners encounter fewer costly surprises over time. Owners also appreciate Honda's predictable maintenance costs. Parts are affordable, mechanics are familiar with the systems, and repairs are straightforward. The interiors are designed to withstand years of wear. Seats stay supportive, materials resist fading, and controls remain responsive. Safety features like adaptive cruise, collision mitigation, and lane keeping assist come standard, which can reduce insurance premiums and enhance peace of mind. Honda's resale value is another highlight. Vehicles hold their value better than many Mazdas, partly due to their reputation for longevity. Combined with low maintenance, strong safety, and practical interiors, Honda offers a worry-free ownership experience that Mazda occasionally struggles to match. For buyers focused on long-term value and durability, Honda consistently outperforms Mazda while delivering efficiency, comfort, and reliability that lasts decades. Number 3. Subaru. Subaru is built for durability, versatility, and rugged performance. While Mazdas shine on smooth city streets and winding highways, Subarus thrive in all-weather conditions and challenging terrains. Models like the Forester, Outback, and Crosstrek are renowned for their symmetrical all-wheel drive systems, which provide consistent traction and stability for hundreds of thousands of miles. Subaru's engineering emphasizes long-term endurance. Engines, transmissions, and AWD components are built to withstand extreme conditions, rather than focusing on sporty flair. Owners frequently report minimal issues after 200,000 miles, with simple repairs that are inexpensive and parts that are widely available. In comparison, certain Mazda models, while stylish and fun, occasionally encounter minor electronic or drivetrain quirks that add to lifetime costs. Inside, Subarus are practical and durable. Materials are built to last, seats are supportive, and interiors are spacious enough for long trips or daily family use. Cargo space is generous, visibility is excellent, and overall usability is prioritized over flashy styling. Safety features are standard, and insurance costs tend to be lower thanks to high crash test scores. Question for viewers: which one of these all-weather warriors would you trust to survive a snowy winter or a muddy road trip? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to see which brand you think outlasts Mazda in tough conditions. Subaru is particularly appealing for buyers who value longevity, versatility, and cost-effective ownership. Even in harsh climates, Subarus consistently outperform many Mazdas, keeping drivers safe and reliable for years. For anyone seeking a car that survives the real world, resists costly repairs, and performs in any environment, Subaru is a clear winner. Number 2. Kia. Kia has undergone a remarkable transformation over the last decade, evolving into a brand known for reliability, value, and low maintenance costs. While Mazdas are praised for driving enjoyment, Kia now offers vehicles designed to outlast them, thanks in part to industry-leading warranties like the 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain coverage. Vehicles such as the Sportage, Sorento, and Telluride combine affordability with durability. Kia has invested heavily in robust engines, reliable transmissions, and simple electronics, making long-term ownership predictable and inexpensive. Reliability surveys now rank Kia above many Mazdas in terms of repairs per 100,000 miles, highlighting a clear advantage for long-term owners. Owners report that Kia vehicles are easy to maintain. Parts are cheap and widely available, interiors remain in good condition even after years of daily use, and standard safety features add further value. Compared to Mazdas, which occasionally require minor tech or drivetrain repairs, Kia's long-term durability is often more predictable, offering peace of mind for families, commuters, and long-distance drivers. Beyond reliability, Kia also delivers a surprisingly premium experience for the price. Interior materials, infotainment systems, and driving comfort exceed expectations for a non-luxury brand. Combined with strong warranties and low total cost of ownership, Kia proves that style and fun don't have to come at the expense of reliability or long-term savings. Question for viewers: if you had to pick one brand to buy for long-term ownership and minimal repairs, which would it be? Comment your pick below and tell us why. It's always fascinating to see which brand wins in real-world experience. For those looking for a car that lasts longer than Mazda while keeping expenses low, Kia is a top contender. Number 1. Lexus. Lexus tops the list because it merges luxury with legendary durability. Mazda offers sporty fun and attractive styling, but Lexus vehicles are engineered to last decades with minimal issues. Models like the RX, NX, and LS feature engines, hybrid systems, and transmissions that consistently survive 250,000 miles or more with routine maintenance. The brand's approach to reliability is meticulous. Every component is tested for longevity, from suspension systems to electronics, drastically reducing the likelihood of costly repairs compared to Mazdas. Owners frequently report decades of smooth, trouble-free driving, making Lexus a top choice for those seeking longevity without compromise. Inside, Lexus cabins combine comfort, premium materials, and intuitive technology. Unlike Mazdas, which focus on sportiness, Lexus emphasizes lasting refinement. Leather, soft touch surfaces, and quiet cabins remain in excellent condition for years. Hybrid models add efficiency without introducing complicated systems prone to failure, offering the best of luxury and reliability. The long-term ownership costs are surprisingly reasonable. Repairs are infrequent, resale values remain strong, and warranties cover many potential issues. For drivers who want the ultimate combination of dependability, luxury, and cost-effective maintenance, Lexus outlasts Mazda in almost every category, making it the undisputed #1 brand for longevity and worry-free ownership. Mazda makes cars that are fun, stylish, and reasonably reliable. But when it comes to long-term durability and cost-effective ownership, there are brands that consistently outperform it. Toyota, Honda, Subaru, Kia, and Lexus each offer vehicles designed to last longer, require fewer repairs, and maintain higher resale value over time. Choosing the right brand isn't just about looks or driving fun. It's about making a smart investment in reliability and peace of mind. Toyota and Honda deliver proven endurance. Subaru excels in versatility and ruggedness. Kia combines value with warranty-backed longevity. And Lexus offers luxury that lasts without excessive maintenance costs. If you want to avoid unexpected repairs, reduce insurance headaches, and save thousands over the life of your vehicle, these 5 brands are the safest bets. By picking a vehicle from this list, you're investing in a car that will keep running smoothly for years. No surprises, no gimmicks. Like this video if it helped you make smarter car choices. Comment below with your favorite long-lasting brand or personal experience. Subscribe for more honest reviews, reliability tips, and smart ownership advice that keeps your wallet happy.